Make a great choice today with the 2016 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.